Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. My name is Jason and today in this video I will be talking about the GRIDBOX Marketplace. GRIDBOX Marketplace, what's that you may ask? It is basically a decentralized platform that makes computing power accessible to everyone. Whether you have idle computing resources to share or need processing power for your projects. GRIDBOX create a seamless connection between the users as well as the providers. It combines the best of both the worlds of Web 2 and Web 3. Let me now demonstrate the process on how you can start earning by adding a machine to the GRIDBOX marketplace. So the very first thing that you need to do is go to the link in my video description for gridbox.blockx.app. Once the page has been fully loaded, you will find two different options. First among the option is where you can simply rent a node, tutorial for which I will be explaining further in this video. And the second among the option is where you can earn free BlockX token just by listing your spare CPU or GPU at their marketplace. So in order to proceed with that, let me simply click on the option which is Start Earning. Before we can proceed to add our machine to their marketplace, we first need to create a wallet. So in order to proceed with the wallet creation, let me simply click on the Next button. Let me again click on the Next and then click on the Continue. Now I am being asked to insert an 18-word seed phrase. As I currently do not have it, let me simply click on the Create Wallet. Friends, here is my 18-word seed phrase. Once after noting your seed phrases, simply paste into this page and then click on the wallet login. Now I am being asked to insert a wallet name. So I have simply wrote my name, which is Jason, and then click on the submit. After that, we are being asked to insert a secure password. After insertion of the password, simply click on the submit. Now friends, we have to insert a 6-digit PIN. After that, click on the submit. My wallet has been successfully created and I have been redirected to the dashboard. As you can see, my total earning is 0 block and I do not have any active section. Now, let me click on the option which is My Machine. As you can see, it is saying no data available because I haven't listed any machine as of now. So in order to add a machine, let me go to the dashboard and click on the option which is Add Machine. Now friends, in order to proceed with adding of the machine, we have to first download a software. You have to choose which operating system you are currently using. It can be either Windows, Ubuntu or Mac OS. In my case, it is Windows. So let me simply click on the Windows. Here inside my downloads, you can see the GRIDBOX setup has been downloaded. So let me simply click on the open. Now friends, the installation of the software has been started. Now after waiting for approximately 2 minutes, you will find a similar interface. To proceed, click on the OK. And after clicking on the OK, the installation of Docker desktop software has been started. Our installation has now been succeeded. To proceed, click on the option Close and Restart. My PC has been restarted. To proceed, go to the Start menu and then search for Docker Desktop. So this is the tool which we have to open. And after that, you will see a similar interface. Click on the Accept. Now, to complete the installation process, click on Finish. You will be now asked to complete the registration process. You do not have to fill any of it. Click on the Skip. Again, click on the Skip. And now friends, this is the dashboard of Docker Desktop. Currently, we do not need this software. Let me click on the Close and this software will run in the background. Now the next thing you have to do is go to the Downloads folder. Therein, you will find a setup of another software which is GRIDBOX Host Client. Double click on it. Now what you have to do is copy the token which you were provided earlier and then simply paste it into the host client. After that, click on the Connect. Now friends, you have to insert your machine specifications. For an example, you have to first insert your display name. So I have inserted my display name as Jason. This name will also be shown into the marketplace. Now what you have to do is you have to insert the year. So I have inserted as 2024. Then friends, you can see your CPU details has been pre-written. You do not have to make any changes in that. Once done, click on the next. Now friends, you can see how much RAM your computer has. So my computer has over 32 GBs of RAM. It is now asking how much storage I want to allocate. In this particular tutorial, I will be allocating 50 GB of storage. Let me click on the next. Now comes the most interesting part about the listing, which is pricing as well as availability. Now I have to insert how much money do I wish to charge for every hour. So I have reduced the amount to 0.1 block X per hour. Next is the availability of the machine. Please make sure that your machine is at least available for 12 hours. Otherwise the listing won't happen. Once done, click on the save. And that's it friends. Our machine has been successfully listed on the marketplace. So let me now click on the OK. So it is now making all the necessary changes. Now the next thing you have to do is click on the allow. So we are right now on the waiting stage. Now let me open the my machine section. And friends, this is where you will be able to see the machine which I have rented. Also, if you just go to the website gridbox.blockx.app, then if you just click on the renter node, here also you can see the machine which I have listed, and once someone rent out my machine, I will automatically start earning 0.1 blockx token per hour. Need some computing powers? Here's how. You can rent a machine on the GRIDBOX marketplace. In order to rent a machine from the GRIDBOX marketplace, go to the website link which I have provided in my video description, and this time we will be choosing the first option, which is of renting a node. Once the website has been loaded, in the left side of the page you can find the filters wherein you can purchase a machine as per your requirements. And currently, as per the filters which I have set, there are two different machines which are available. First among the machine is the Intel Core with i9 processor and a graphic card of 3090. And this particular machine has 32 GB RAM, and they are providing us with a storage of 650 GBs. And the cost of renting this machine is of 7 blockx token per hour. And as per the current market price, 7 blockx token is of worth 19 cents. So you can literally rent out this machine for as cheap as 19 cents per hour. The second machine which you can see is AMD Ryzen 5 with a graphic card which is of 2050. And this particular PC has a 16 GB RAM, and you can rent out a total storage of 10 GBs. And this particular machine has a good rating of 3.7 out of 5, and you can rent out this machine for as cheap as 1 blockx token per hour. To proceed, let me click on the rent. Now we have to choose the particular purpose for which we are renting out this machine. You can either use it for generic artificial intelligence or machine learning model training, or you can use for NLP. And other than the above, you can also use it for mining purposes. So let me click on the mining. After that, let me click on the configure. Now we have to choose the duration for which we are renting out this machine. I have chosen 1, and as you can see friends, I have got an error that I do not have enough balance in order to rent out this machine, as my current balance is of 0 blockx token. So in order to proceed, we now need to top up our account. So what you have to do is simply click on the dashboard option, and after dashboard, click on the wallet. Here friends, you will find your receiving address in which you can receive your blockx token. Simply copy this particular address, and now here is a list of all the various exchanges from where you can trade and withdraw your blockx token. In this particular video, I will be choosing my favorite exchange, which is the MEXC exchange. And if you just have a look at my available balance, I already have purchased some blockx token which I will be withdrawing into my wallet. To proceed, let me click on the withdraw. And now I will be inserting the deposit address which I had copied. After that, let me insert the amount of how much I wish to withdraw. Once done, let me click on the submit. After waiting for a few seconds, you can see my deposit of the BlockX token has been completed. Now let me go back and repeat the same process of renting out the machine. As you can see, I right now have enough balance to rent out this machine. Let me click on the confirm payment, and that's it. My payment is successful. After that, we now need to click on the start using. So here friends is the detail of the machine which we have rented. Here you can see how much time is left for the duration to end. Now in order to use the machine, copy the URL and then paste it over here. After that, copy either Jupyter password or Jupyter token. I have copied the password. Let me paste it over here and then click on the login. And that's it. I can now proceed to mining with the machine which I have rented. Now, if at any given point you wish to top up your usage, you can simply click on the top up and choose the duration for how much more hours you want this machine. And if at any point you wish to stop it, simply click on the stop instance and you will be charged only for the duration for which you have used the machine. That is it for the video. This was everything that you needed to know about the GRIDBOX marketplace. If you still got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have talked in this particular video, make sure to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.